I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the app and tools you'll use and granting permissions so automation can run. You need a live wallpaper that accepts external inputs or scripting, install Tasker or Auto Hotkey, and give accessibility and overlay rights. Once done, create a new automation profile that will simulate the trigger for motion. Set a low-frequency schedule or event source. Make sure battery optimization is disabled for both the Wallpaper app and automation tool, so actions run reliably in the background. Now you implement the actual triggers that move the wallpaper. You map the wallpaper's editable parameters to commands from your automation app, speed, direction, and intensity, and choose triggers such as a timer, ambient light change, or a virtual sensor event. Once connected, create a short test routine and run it in a loop to confirm the wallpaper accepts inputs and behaves smoothly. If values oversaturate, reduce intensity or increase intervals. This preserves battery and maintains steadier animation without jank. Finish by making the automation persistent. Enable auto run, background service, or startup task so the wallpaper moves continuously without touch. Adjust frame rate and detail to balance motion quality and battery use. Lower settings if the device heats or drains quickly. If the wallpaper doesn't respond, check permission grants, ensure the automation targets the correct API endpoints or command format, and inspect logs for rejected commands. If needed, simplify the command payload to a known working value to isolate formatting versus connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.